Alright everyone, it's a new episode of Cooking with Clint. This is going to be a quick episode. So I'm going to be making some Rice Krispie treats, except we're not using Rice Krispies. We're using Cocoa Puffs. And the reason we're using Cocoa Puffs is I haven't had this cereal forever since I was a kid. And I decided to pick up some, and then when I tasted it, it tasted pretty disgusting.
No, sir, I don't like it.
We also have these jumbo marshmallows left over from when we made s'mores not too long ago, and I want to use the marshmallows and use the rest of the cereal before it goes bad. So I think if we Rice Krispie treat the puffs, it might make it a little bit better, or it'll be a disaster. Either way, this should be pretty much entertaining. Now, we only need a few ingredients. We've got our marshmallows, we got our Cocoa Puffs, and we need butter. So let's go and find some butter. Butter. Well, we're missing an ingredient. We need butter. We don't have butter, but I found online that we could make our own butter. We are going to use whole milk and a jar. Okay, so we got our cream right here. We're gonna put it here in the jar, and it says you gotta shake it for 1 minute. So I'm gonna set a timer for 1 minute here. Nope, I just set the clock. What time is it? 1 minute. All right, let's see if we got butter. All right. That does not look like butter to me.
Idiot!
Well, that was a disaster. Well, anything, we just have some frothy milk. If you don't have a frother, you can just shake it in a jar. All right, well, we don't have any butter. So we're just going to use a little bit of milk as our butter substitute.
That's not how it works.
Oh, I got a yogurt butt setting on this. Okay, so we're going to set the Instapot on the saute. And we're just going to add our milk, just a little bit of it in there. And we're just going to let that warm up for a little bit. So now we're going to get our marshmallows here. Okay, we got our marshmallows in the pot here. We're going to take our wooden spoon.
I got a wooden spoon!
And we're just going to stir.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir. Very nice.
And what's great about this Instapot is unlike in a stove, everything kind of heats up evenly. So you don't have to worry about one end of the pot getting hotter than the other, like sometimes you get on stoves. Another thing I'm going to get is just a little bit of vanilla extract. Just kind of put a couple drops in there, not too much. All right, now all of our marshmallow has pretty much melted. There's a couple lumps in there, but it's not too big. And now we're going to put the cereal into the marshmallow mix. And we're just going to stir until it's well combined. Okay, we got everything mixed in here. I was freaked out a little bit. I thought I burned my pot, but actually it's the Cocoa Puffs changing the marshmallow mixture into chocolate. Anyway, I got a pan here lined with parchment paper, and we're going to put it here in the tray. All right, and then we'll just flatten this out. Now we're going to put these in the freezer so they'll cool down in a couple of minutes. It's going into the freezer. Alrighty. But while we wait, we can use our failed buttermilk jar. It's just a glass of milk at this point. Refreshing. I probably should have waited until after the crispy treats were done.
Dumbass!
Alright, it's been a few minutes. Let's check on the puff treats. Okay, we got a cut here. It's kind of a sticky mess because we didn't have the butter in there. I don't think it fully sticked on there, but looks pretty good. Let's give it a taste. That's actually pretty good. Tastes a lot better. Oh yeah, this is way better than just eating the cereal regular in milk. Having butter in this would make this taste even better. But yes, you can Rice Krispie treat a Cocoa Puff cereal. So I would call this a success. I know some of you are probably making fun of my methods when it comes to this cooking show, but I'll give you my honest opinion, and I just really don't give a flip what anybody else thinks. Part of this is I'm not an expert in cooking. What I like to do, I do enjoy it. I like to experiment, and I like to find things, and sometimes you find things really awesome, and other times it's a complete failure. But hey, either way, we are learning and entertaining. And that's really the whole point that we're here today. But I hope you found this video entertaining and great. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. There are some more videos coming down the pipeline. I have been working on the past year getting a new studio and setup and everything put together, so we will have some more higher quality videos coming up. So please subscribe to the channel, Cooking with Clint on YouTube, and we will see you on the next one. All right, have a good one, guys.